Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error, and error occur tap to retry. If you're facing this type of problem, then let me tell you that you have to make sure that you have an updated version of YouTube, or you have an updated version of YT Studio. If you have and still you are facing this type of problem, then let me tell you that this is a bug from YouTube. Okay guys, so you don't need to do anything, just simply wait till the problem will be automatically fixed. So let me tell you that this problem is just in Android phone. Okay guys, in case of iPhone you can't fix this type of problem, because I have an iPhone and I checked on iPhone. In iPhone this problem isn't appear. Okay guys, if you want to run your channel, then you have to log in your account in iPhone. In case of Android phone, you have to wait till the YouTube will fix this. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.